Hey everybody, Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate Property Management, here in front of 7 East Balboa. Now, this property is still under construction for another few days, but it's almost done. And we're planning the grand opening. There's gonna be a big old open house Saturday morning. All right, so I'll give you a quick tour of all the changes and all the updates. You'll see this is what I'm meaning, okay? The owner. This is now the third time painting because he wants it done right. So there's gonna be another new coating of paint on here to make sure it's perfect for you. All right, let's take a look inside. Okay, so as you walk in, you notice that the baseboards, the paint, the flooring, basically all done. Got the doors in over there, you got brand new windows, you got the fans in. All right, we'll take you through here so you can see the laundry room. All right, like that. As we come on through, got the new kitchen. Let's go ahead and come on through. Got the carpet installed. We got the paint. Windows in here. We got the fans. All right. Fortunately, SRP has the power turned off, so you really can't see in the bathroom still. But we got almost everything in. The fixtures will be in shortly. We got the light fixtures put in. In here, I love the fan fixtures. Nice fans. The remotes. And the master, we got the new upgraded soundproof windows over here. All right. Big old master suite. And let's go to the closet. And your shoe racks. Alright, you got a bunch of bars and shelving and all kinds of good fun. And then in here, large master. Love that shower. And then that's not gonna be, we're gonna redo that light fixture. That he's put in, but notice the handles and everything. Flooring, oh, it's looking good. Point out the refinished brick fireplace. Good. All right, everybody. So that's Balboa as of today. We're gonna be holding our mega open house on Saturday we'll go 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Hopefully you can swing on by. We won't let you down. This house is gonna be beautiful.